So I'm very excited to show our first AI application, our Hello World program, and show you that how easy it is to build AI applications these days. So this is my GitHub page. All the code related to this course is available on GitHub. Don't worry about the setup in starting. There is a separate video which you can watch to complete the setup. Just focus on learning and understanding the core concepts. So we will be using Google Colab for all our learning. You can click here. It will open a Google Colab notebook. You can run your code in that notebook and learn. As simple as that. Let us first connect it with the runtime. You can click on this connect button. It is showing connecting. May take few seconds. This is ready. So here I have got a OpenAI key and I'm installing OpenAI related libraries. This is done. Now I am importing OpenAI library. Done. I have initiated a client so that I can call ChatGPT API. Now this is my prompt. I have written a story, but it's a incomplete story. We would like ChatGPT to complete our story. So now this is very important. So we are going to send a message to OpenAI ChatGPT model, and that message should have a structure. This is the standard format which was created first by OpenAI, and it has become so popular that all other companies have started to follow it, like Google, Meta. Everybody follows the same format. So it is very important to learn this format because this is a standard across. If you're building agentic AI solutions, if you're calling Claude, if you're calling Gemini, this format is the standard. So spend some time on it and understand it properly. Message is a dictionary. It should have two things. One is system message, other is user message. So to give the system message, you need to define role as system and say content of system messages this. And then user, you need to say role is user and this is the prompt. Let us understand what is this system prompt and user prompt. System prompt gives LLM a persona. So if you want your AI to behave as a doctor, you tell it that consider you are a doctor and answer my questions considering you are a doctor. Or you can say you are a comedian and answer my questions being a comedian. The kind of answers and the quality of answers will depend on what is the persona that you are giving to your AI. So that's why system prompt is very important. And user prompt is the query or the message that you are sending to your LLM. Let us run it. Okay, so these are the APIs, client APIs, client.chat.completions. If you're finding it a bit clumsy, don't worry, you will get it very easily. With more practice, you'll get completely familiar with this API. So we are calling the chat completion API. We are calling the model GPT-4o mini. We have passed the messages object, the dictionary which we created in the last cell, and then we are giving the temperature 0.7. Let us understand what is temperature. So temperature controls the creativity level of your LLM. What does that mean? So if it is 0, you will get the same answer every time you call your model. If the temperature value is greater than 0 and less than 1, then the answer is usually similar, but there may be some creativity. But if the temperature value is more than 1, there is more randomness in your answer. So whenever you ask ChatGPT, it may give very different answer every time. So as an engineer, you can play with this value and see based on your use case what kind of response you want. If you want same response every time, make the temperature as 0. Let us run it. So this is the response which I have got. Now let us play with system prompt to understand how important it is. I'm going to say you are a comedian, answer everything with a joke. So when I run this, I get a joke in response. So based on the persona that you are giving to your AI model, you'll get the kind of answers. If you are asking it to become a doctor, it will answer it in that way. If you are asking it to become a dumb guy, it will answer in that way. So that's why the system prompt is very important. So this is our Hello World program. You just need to create a message object which has system prompt and user prompt. You need to tell which model you want to access, give it the messages object and set the temperature. That's all. You're ready to get responses from LLM.